Hello, welcome to a very special video. This is Mr. Dunk.
Hello.
My husband, and he is wonderful. He is here to help me with this video because we are unboxing a whole freaking PC. And he picked out all the parts for me because he's wonderful.
Oh. This was like a sort of late Christmas present for my wonderful wife here. The first thing I'm going to open up here is this monitor.
Oh, they really keep their stuff safe, don't they?
Oh, yeah.
I'm just trying to open it with the knife.
Oh, here it is.
I put my finger on it.
Here's the actual.
There we go. That's one. Right with the blade right at me.
Yeah.
That's how you do it.
Yeah. All right.
Make sure you cut your wife. It's part of the instructions.
Yeah, it makes everything work better when you give the blood sacrifice.
Cut your wife.
A couple different pieces, a couple different things.
Styrofoam.
Styrofoam. Can't live without it.
Here, we can tilt that up.
Yeah, tilt that up a little bit. We'll probably edit this part out as I pull a bunch of pieces of monitor.
This is the best part of the video.
Well, here's
the pieces.
Yeah.
Let me unpackage.
This is all just like a monitor assembly stuff.
Gotcha. Well, you can put that in a pile then. That's not as exciting. Oh, this one's big.
Yeah.
How big is it compared to yours?
Let me check the actual dimensions of what I bought.
I won't take out the whole thing because it's glass and I don't want it to get sprayed.
And then a little plate here, the power for it. Yeah. No. You could eat snacks off it, but that would be very messy.
Duchess.
Thank you, Duchess. Dual Acer V246 HQL, 23.6 inch 1080p monitors, 60 Hertz. I didn't want to like super break the bank on this, but here's the real meat and potatoes.
Meat and potatoes.
First things first, whenever you get an Ironside computer, they give you this like super high quality packaging.
Yeah, so that if it breaks,
Yeah.
so that if it breaks, like you can just ship it back. Yeah.
They give you these there's a bunch of stuff, like all your a lot of stickers, other things. I think a thermal compound somewhere in here, a sweet mouse pad. That's your mouse pad.
Oh, I thought we didn't get the mouse pad. The mouse pad?
Sweet, pretty high quality feeling Ironside mouse pad. They got their little logo in the bottom right corner.
I do have a mouse pad already.
Sweet little llama mouse pad.
Yeah. So basically, we have an extra mouse pad. What are you doing, Duchess?
Doing cat things.
There she is.
She's gonna get in boxes because cats love that. You got a little, what is this?
Stereotypical cat.
Some stickers. I think there's something pretty sweet in here. Yeah, you got a little, I think this is a 1 terabyte. This is like a 1 terabyte.
Flash drive?
Yeah, like flash drive.
That's cool.
Some other things. We'll show a lot of this when we put together the PC and it's all in place. All right, Kitty, I'm going to need you to exit the premises. This is our cat. She also came out of the box just now.
Oh, I know about the cat.
Unboxing instructions. Fold the flaps outwards. Flip the box over. Flip the box. Flip it.
Flip in the box.
Flip it.
Very nice. Like Upside down?
Yeah, upside down. Just like that. It's fine. Everything is fine. What's left out? A box. Sweet.
Ooh. I'm really excited. This is really cool. Let me scoot the laptop over.
Yeah. So we got an H510i. Mid tower case.
Flipping it over. Flip it towards the camera.
Ooh, you can already see some of it. A little sneak preview, if you will. Sweet. So let's. Yeah. Ooh. So, easy comes with this sweet foam inside of it. A little more. Thank you. I'm not completely sure how this one opens. I think so.
I said, why did you twist it?
I don't know, it just looked like the right thing to do. Oh, I see. It's this guy right here. It's these ones. Sweet.
Ah! Oh, I got some more things. I'll show them in a second.
So this opens up. Sweet.
Ooh, my pink cord.
Yeah, we got the pink cable sleeves. They look really nice. Ironside's always super good. We got our 700 watt power. I was right. Okay, so you take off this thumb screw right here, and it pulls this whole little piece of tempered glass
off.
off.
What's the screw?
So you got all this sweet foam.
And the beautiful interior.
So we've got our two 8 gigabytes of RAM, equaling 16 gigabytes of RAM. We got a 3070, I think is what I ended up on. Almost certainly.
The 3070 what?
3070 GeForce RTX.
That's the graphics card?
Yeah.
Ooh, it's gonna get some pretty games up.
A Z390 9th gen chipset. Yep, right there. This guy. Pretty sweet. If I go down here, I know my hard drives, or her hard drives. Hard drives are connected up there. There's a 2 terabyte. And the cat making hundreds and hundreds of dollars of problems. And there is a 256 gigabyte solid state somewhere in here that I'm gonna probably try to find off camera because I didn't really do a whole lot of research. I just bought this for my wife.
And she knows more than I do, and that's why she's Mr. Dunk is very important to these operations.
Set this whole operation up, record it after it's set up, and maybe if we got time, we'll run some benchmarks, but that could also be just what you see in the next video.
Well, here she is all set up nice and pretty, and she's got a pretty pink cord, and she's got a nice lighting in the back, and well, she's just all around gorgeous. I can't wait to test her out and show and make a video for y'all. And I'm probably gonna decorate her with like some decals and some stickers. And I think I'm gonna name her the Electroforest, just like the eels in Ark. And my husband had things to say.
Yeah, so I'm super happy with this. I'm super happy with Ironside. They always do super great work. They This computer that this is recording on, this is actually a laptop camera. I gave this to my wife to play games on because she used to play on a work computer. And I got this years ago, many years ago. So I'm happy to get her something more modern. This probably took about a minute to start up every single time, like 1 to 2 minutes. Back when I had it, before I factory reset it the first time, it was taking me like 3 minutes to get it to start up. This right here just started up in like 10 seconds. So like from hitting the button to desktop, that's like a major improvement. Super great. And I hope my wife absolutely loves this. And I hope you guys like the new quality of the episodes now.
Well, subscribe to become a Dunklebug today, and I will see you in the next video.
So